So you are wondering if it's a good idea to lose weight on keto. Well, imagine a world where eating butter, bacon, and avocado isn't just allowed, it's encouraged. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But that's exactly what the ketogenic keto diet offers. So, how can a diet high in fat help you lose fat? It seems totally backward until you understand the science behind it. Buckle up, because keto is about to flip your idea of dieting on its head, and maybe your pantry too. Hey, welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. What exactly is keto? The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan. Typically, it breaks down like this. About 70 to 75% of your calories come from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. For context, that's fewer carbs than what you'd find in a single banana. When you drastically cut your carb intake, your body has to switch gears. Instead of using glucose from carbs as its main source of energy, it starts burning fat. This process is called ketosis, and it's the foundation of how keto helps with weight loss. Ketosis, your body's plan B. Think of your body like a hybrid car. Usually, it runs on carbs, glucose. But when carbs are scarce, like during keto, your body switches to its backup fuel, fat. During ketosis, your liver converts fat into ketones, which then power your brain and body. The cool part? This switch makes your body more efficient at burning fat, including the fat stored around your waist that refuses to leave, no matter how many salads you've suffered through. So, does it work? Yes. For many people, keto can be a game changer. Here's why. Appetite suppression. Fat and protein are more filling than carbs. When you're full and satisfied, you're less likely to sneak into the kitchen for a 10 p.m. cookie raid. Fewer blood sugar crashes. Carbs can spike your blood sugar, which then crashes and leaves you feeling hungry, cranky, and searching for your next fix. Keto keeps things more stable, so you don't ride the sugar roller coaster. More fat burned, less stored. In ketosis, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. It taps into stored fat more easily because it's not busy burning off carbs first. Water weight loss at first. When you stop eating carbs, your body sheds glycogen, a form of stored carbohydrate. Glycogen holds water, so its loss means you'll likely drop a few pounds of water weight in the first week. It's not fat loss yet, but hey, it's a confidence boost. The catch, because there's always one. Keto isn't all cheese platters and miracle weight loss. It takes discipline, especially at the beginning. There's something charmingly cruel about walking past a bakery in your first week and smelling literally everything. Plus, it might not be ideal for everyone. Athletes, people with certain health conditions, or those who just love bread with a fiery passion may struggle to stick with it long term. Also, the infamous keto flu is real. As your body adjusts to ketosis, you might feel tired, moody, or headachy for a few days. The good news: it passes, and many people report feeling more energetic and mentally clear once they're fully in ketosis. So, should you try it? If you're looking for a diet that changes how your body fuels itself, helps control hunger, and might even let you enjoy full-fat foods without guilt, keto is worth considering. Just make sure to do your homework. Or better yet, talk to a doctor or nutritionist before diving in head first. While bacon can be a delicious ally, it needs to be eaten responsibly. Thank you for watching. Do you have any experience with keto? Please share in the comments. Feel free to subscribe so you can stay motivated for a healthy and fulfilling life. Remember, your greatest wealth is your health.